Oh, my bad. What is up, guys? It is Doflope here again with another video. Kind of rushed right now because I do not think I'm gonna make the event, and it's exactly like in 1 minute. So please, God, hurry up, game. I've been in the lobby for like a minute. Oh, finally! Thank God. Oh my God, dude, this is like so. I'm so nervous. This is gonna be like my first live event that I'm gonna be like at. The other live events, I was always somewhere else doing something. But this is gonna be my first live event. Oh, dude. Oh my God. Hurry up. Just load already, dude. I feel like I'm gonna miss it. Like, and there's like seconds till it comes. Like, till it just passes. Dude. I wonder what's gonna happen. I don't know. I have no clue. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Come on. Just get in the battle bus already. Get in the battle bus. No. I'm gonna be stuck here. Oh, wait, what the heck? Look at the circle. What is that? It looks like a clock. That looks like a clock. That's so weird. What the heck's gonna happen, dude? What is this? What is this game turned into? What does that mean? I think it's a clock. Oh! And it just explodes. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. It's the Ice King. Hey, chill, buddy. No, you do not need to do this. No, don't do anything. Don't hurt my island. My island, no. What is he doing? He's like, I think like a spell. What the heck is he doing? What is he made of, though? What the heck? Stop! Oh my God! Oh my God! What is happening? What is happening? Oh my God, dude, look at the mini-map. The mini-map's spreading. Oh my God, look, you can see this, the thing. Oh my God, dude, what is happening? Bro, look at it. The whole map is covered in snow. What about the mini-map? Oh, even the mini-map, look at the clouds. Oh my God, dude. Oh, dude, you can't even see the ocean. Dang. Maybe alright, let's go Kobe. Maybe let's check the dragons actually. Maybe the dragons have changed, possibly. Bro, what's your guys' theory? Leave your theory down below. I think my theory is there's gonna be a humongous flood, and I don't know what the water's gonna do. The water's gonna go on. I believe your theory down below. This is insane. 77 people in my game. 77 coming here. Oh, let's see what these dragons have in mind. Oh. Moment of truth behind this wall, and they're the same. It can't break them. They still look frozen. We got dragons. They do not seem. Nothing has happened to the dragons. Okay. So that means that there's. Oh, I'm sorry. Please don't kill me. No! Please don't kill me. Not now. Not doing me that. Please, God. No. Oh my God, bro. I swear. This kid annoys me. I hate people that do this. I accidentally pickaxed you. Chill, buddy. Well, anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and peace.